Well, it's time for a Save Club review. How's that sound? All right. Let's see. June 1st of 2025. That is when we kicked off Save Club, where you can go in the back office, click the My Deals tab, and just go all over the place and see if there's opportunities or businesses that you're going to purchase or use anyway. And you might as well save some moolah at the same time. Okay. We have over, I think, 75,000 businesses now already participating. And guys, we're only 39 days old. Okay, we kicked off, like I said, June 1st of 2025, and things are going great. People are signing up all over the world because this is going to be a worldwide savings club. Okay, now we started in Las Vegas, Nevada, and of course, most of our deals are here in America, but they are, yes, going to go up to Canada and Mexico, the UK, of course, all over Asian countries and African as well. Okay, I mean, down, how about to Australia? Sound good? Of course. Yes, and Brazil and New Guinea. I just met a young girl the other day at one of the car shows from New Guinea. New Guinea? Is it Adelaide? I can't remember. New Guinea. It's New Guinea, like a little guinea pig. Like those little cute little hairy things, okay? But yes, we're going to be in every city, every state, and every country. Just give us time, okay? But you want to sign up as an affiliate now for $60 because you don't know if a city, state, or a country is going to sign up underneath you. Because right now there's only a handful of affiliates, but when you have thousands of people, they're going to usually go on YouTube, maybe search on TikTok, Instagram. Maybe you got a message or an email from somebody to look into this opportunity. Somehow you found this video. I love to just shoot the shiat, if that's a word. Shiat, is that a word? Yeah, it is. And I throw something up on YouTube. And then I like to just share this video on, for example, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, okay? It's the best way for me to promote. But guess what? You don't have to do any video if you're an affiliate because we already have hundreds made for you. We have thousands of pictures for you. For that $60, you just log into the training and download all the pictures, put them on your home computer, your phone, your laptop. Same with video. All the video recruits perfectly what the membership does, what the membership can save you, how to use it, how to navigate it. And if you have no experience on how to market online, good. You don't have old techniques that might have worked 5, 10, 20, 30 years ago. You want to know what works now in 2025. We have how-to videos, how to upload to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, how to upload to and create on YouTube. All right, we take away all of those questions. Okay, you're just going to have a million questions. Then we're going to take narrow it down to about 500,000, 100,000. And guess what? Over the next week or two, you might have a couple questions about marketing. But since we have videos already made to answer your questions, you're definitely going to have. That's where the fun begins. It's easy to navigate to save. You already probably have some money and you're going to spend it on something. And if you can save, I don't know, let's say $100 or $200 a month, that's pretty darn cool, isn't it? It is for me. I'm well over $900 the first 45 days. I've made well over $5,000. And with my funnel system, it's bringing me in a couple $1,000 a month right now. Okay, and this is just my first 45 days. So I'm saving, I'm earning, I'm definitely learning too. I love to learn techniques and styles on how to do just a webcam video like this, or how to maybe get a hold of somebody and say, hey, would you like to check out this opportunity and save money? Okay, click this link. That's all I do. The shorter and the more simple I make things, the more successful I get. Okay, I love doing videos like this where I can take about 10 minutes and just show you some of the back office, kind of a review. I like to do at least a couple of these a day. So anyway, how do I promote Save Club? Well, joinsaveclub.org. That's the official link. You go ahead and just click that, put in your name and email address, click, you're going to get some more information or an email just how to join. Okay, then I'm going to send you an email with everything I do. Now, if you've already joined Save Club and you're stuck and you didn't really sign up underneath a team and you're not really getting that marketing support that you might have expected, then get the saveclubfunnels.com. It's $25. saveclubfunnels.com. Just click it and watch that video. It is a 20-minute video that talks about, trains you, educates you about Save Club so you don't have to. Tells you about the membership, how much it costs to be an affiliate. It's $60. And then it even has examples. Hey, you can go to a restaurant and just show your screen on your cell phone. And when you go to pay, boom, get 2 for 1. I got 2 Whoppers for the price of 1 the other day at a Burger King in Taylorsville, Utah. I bought a purple mattress. I belong to 2 different car washes here in Salt Lake City. But my biggest savings that put hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollar bills in my pocket, well, kept it in my pocket, was at Discount Tire. I had to buy a lot of tires about 30 days ago, and it sucked. But tires, tinting your windows, putting a stereo in, that's fun. But when you have to buy change your oil or get brakes or put new tires on your car, isn't it nice you can go to Save Club and save probably 50 to 100, if not hundreds of dollars like I was able to. Okay, disclaimer, I don't know how much you're going to save, but I'll tell you what, for $19.97, boy, is it worth it, okay? So $19.97 a month. That's what it costs to join and be a member of Save Club. It's only $60. That is it to be an affiliate. And if you want to join for the year, just pay off your membership for the year. You're automatically in VIP status and you make bigger commissions. You get the highest commissions. And that's what I did. Because I want, if I'm going to do the same videos like this every day, I want to make more money. It's that simple. But do whatever your budget is. If you want to join by the month, that's awesome. But if you want to go ahead and just pay your year off, remember your commissions are going to get bigger, okay? So, joinsaveclub.org. This is how, pardon my voice, this is the official way just to go ahead and click it and watch that little video. All right? It's, 6 minutes of our founder, Charles, and get to know him a little bit. And he explains Save Club real nicely as well. But like I said, if you've already joined Save Club or you have not, saveclubfunnels.com. That website, everything that is included, that's yours for the $25 price. But the video is the key thing. It over-explains Save Club. When you watch that 20-minute video, you know exactly what Save Club is. So be a member, be an affiliate, be both, okay? But let the video do all of that stuff, okay? This is the back office, okay? Right now, I'm doing pretty darn well. When you go to saveclub.com, this is the home page. If you want deals, just hit My Deals. And this is what the page looks like. Search right here. Put in your zip code. I put in 8411111. And when I hit search, I can just look at random deals from Amazon. If I want to go to, Disney World, Disneyland. Do I want to buy, how about some sports equipment? How about something at CVS? All right, do you like to eat? Sure you do. How about some pizza? How about, every fast food, if you accidentally go to, let's say Subway. Whoops. How about Burger King, Wendy's, get a Frosty? Look, there's Goodyear. Okay. Here's Home Depot. I love Home Depot. I go there at least once a month for who knows what. I just love to go there. But look at that. 75,000 plus deals, guys. And this is just the membership side. You guys will figure this out. Super easy. When you navigate, click all these tabs. Just go through. You're not going to break the website. My Deals is the one you're going to go to the most because you want to save money, right? But when you're an affiliate, this is what you're going to see. You can go into the leaderboard. You can see as of today, I'm number 7 in the world. I'm excited about that. I've signed up 107 people already. You have tons of websites already made for you. Okay, see these links? All you do is invite people to click this link if you just want them to look at being a member. But I think you want to be an affiliate where you earn money, right? Well, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 different pages, and they're complete funnels in turnkey mode. Pretty cool, right? The one that I've had the most success with is this one right here. saveclubtour.com/, and then that's my username, the Cory Draper. So when you click that, let's just see what it looks like. Okay? People will watch this 6-minute video if you want. It's just a YouTube video of our founder. Fill in this information and hit that orange button, and then go get your email from Save Club, sign up, or at least just get more information and make a decision. Either you're in or out. You take your time, okay? There's no rush on my part. You guys just relax. This is a very exciting opportunity. We're only 9 days old. And, 39 days old. Because today is what? June? Yeah, today's July 9th. So 39 days old. Thousands of people worldwide signing up every day right now. So now is the time to join. Do your research. If you join through me, great. If not, it's up to you. But I really want you to look into this funnel system too, because this will help you. If you're, let's just say, shy or you don't want to do video, don't worry about it, guys. We have so many videos for you and pictures. We have all the training. Do you want to see the training real quick? Let me just show you. See right here on the left side, it says training. Click that tab after you join as an affiliate, and you hit this training portal. I love it because check this out. Tips on how to just watch these training videos. And all they are is short little YouTube videos. You guys know how to do that. Look at this. Set your goal. Find your capture page. All right, but look at this. This is what I love. How to post on Facebook. How to find a Facebook group. How to post on Instagram, TikTok. They're by far the biggest. Look at that. How to post on X, formerly Twitter, of course. How to post on LinkedIn. People forget about LinkedIn. And, of course, my favorite, YouTube. But look at the training you get. All right? And then when you go back, training portal, that's what I just showed you. But look, here's the materials. This is where you have thousands of videos and pictures. Just click any one of these folders. See May 2nd, May 11th, May 17th, May 26th. Do you see the pattern? Every week we supply you new video, new training, and new funnels. All for the cost of $60. Look at that. Look, July 6th, that was just a couple days ago. We just dumped a whole bunch of brand new stuff. Here's social media posts you can use, how to text people. And then here's that training tab I was just telling you about. You can own those videos. If you want to send someone like your team, hey guys, if you want to know how to post on YouTube, for example, go to training here and just send them a link to that video. You guys will figure this out. And it's all in the training, like I said. Don't overcomplicate Save Club. Just make it fun and invite people to click something. That's all I do. And thousands of bucks have been coming in. I've saved over $900. It's very exciting. Contact. You can always contact Save Club. Right there, that's email, support@saveclub.com. All right. But this is the back office. I just wanted to show you real quick. Pretty cool opportunity, right? Okay, guys, I'll wrap this up. It looks like 12 minutes. God, I can't believe how fast time goes when I talk about Save Club. But there you go, guys. Joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and get some more information or join. And this Save Club funnels, I hope you look into it, especially if you're stuck. Please don't think you're all alone and you joined and you're not going to get any support or help. All right, I want you to belong to two of the biggest groups. I'm going to give you a personal invite, and I want you to go to that saveclubfunnels.com, and I want you to use that funnel. All it is basically you're inviting people to your own link that goes to a video. And then people make up their mind. Do they want to join Save Club? And if they've already joined, they can get the funnel. $25. Okay, so let's just go over the fees right now. If you have not joined at all yet, okay, remember it's $19.97 a month, $60 just to be an affiliate. You don't have to pay any more. Okay, so for $79.97, and if you want to get the funnel as well, another $25. So guys, for barely a couple bucks over $100, you've got an online business, and it's dominating. When you search for one of the best online opportunities, especially online or on your phone, in 2025, Save Club is just dominating. You want to join something that's already hot. And Save Club, holy crap, the last month or two, it's been awesome. Beautiful app. There's AI technology, so when people pre-enroll, you know, if you go to Save Club, joinsaveclub.org right now, guess what? AI technology can text you or call you. You can even have a conversation with AI. And guess how much all that costs you? Nothing. It's all included for the $60. Because most people know yourself better than I do, but most people know that when you join something, most people, probably 9 out of 10, they're going to get a little confused, a little intimidated, and they won't follow through. And that's not what we want. Okay? If you have support and you have AI technology taken over for you, and you've got training and videos that all you can do is upload. You don't have to be on video like I'm doing. You can upload video, upload content, get a hold of people through social media. They'll get a hold of you, trust me there. And on top of that, have AI technology take over as well and just say, hey, relax. I got your back, kid. Okay, very exciting. All right, guys, I'm at the 15-minute mark. This is my little mini webinar. You guys have a kick-ass day. Today is July 9th. And if you have any questions, let me go ahead and show you my email address too. Cory@CoryDraper.com. All right, I am not shy. Get a hold of me if I can help you, okay? I surely will. I have a lot of fun doing this business. So, okay, guys, take care. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope to hear from you. Take care.